Imagine a robotic horse that runs on hydrogen, a speedboat that looks like a sports car, and gloves that let you feel the virtual world. Welcome to the future of luxury and tech, built for men who crave power, performance, and style. Welcome to Automated Word. In this video, we re-exploring an exclusive lineup of next-level gadgets and luxury gear designed specifically for men who appreciate innovation, adventure, and a touch of extravagance. From futuristic transportation to immersive gaming, we've got something for every modern man. Let's dive in. Kick things off with Kawasaki's mind-blowing robotic horse, Corio. It's not just a cool concept. It's a fully functional ride powered by a hydrogen engine and controlled by AI. It mimics the movement and feel of a real horse. It's offering an unmatched blend of technology and tradition. Think of it as horseback riding redefined. Next up, the Water Sports Car Series B. It's a speedboat, yes, but one that looks and performs like a luxury car. With 320 horsepower under the hood and customizable features, it's a dream come true for those who want performance and prestige on water. Starting at $71,000, this machine screams luxury lifestyle. Now, for the gamers out there, meet the Auto Full M6 Gaming Chair Pro Max. It's not just a chair, it's a throne. Designed with pro gamers and streamers in mind, it blends comfort with futuristic design, giving you a next-level gaming experience while making a serious statement in your setup. If status is your thing, the Rolls-Royce Phantom EWB Mansory Diamond Edition needs no introduction. It's powerful, opulent, and rare, with carbon fiber detailing, a 571 horsepower engine, and an interior that redefines luxury. This isn't just transportation, it's a statement of power and prestige. Let's jump into the world of VR. The Haptex VR Gloves G1 change everything by letting you actually feel virtual objects. Texture, weight, shape, it's all there. Whether you're training, gaming, or exploring virtual worlds, these gloves take immersion to a whole new level. And for the outdoor thrill seekers, the Lang Fight GT4S electric scooter hits speeds of up to 109 kilometers per hour. With all-wheel drive and long range, this is not your average e-scooter. It's built for adrenaline, performance, and sleek urban exploration. Flying high is easier than ever with the Falcon Mini drone. It's ultra-lightweight, shoots 4K video, and is insanely agile. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this drone offers epic footage without the bulk or the complexity. Moving into collectibles and tech toys, we've got voice command-enabled Transformers, ultra-realistic Star Wars lightsabers, and scaled replicas of iconic engines and cars. These aren't just toys. They retech rich works of art that bring your favorite worlds to life. Fishing just got smarter too, with gadgets that track fish location and help you cast like a pro. Imagine having sonar tech in your tackle box. Whether you're a weekend fisherman or an outdoorsman, these tools blend nature and tech seamlessly. We're also looking at cutting-edge biometric safes, ultra-functional Nomad hoodies with hidden pockets, and the Snap Block rotary tool for creators and dyers. Each one adds a unique layer of functionality to your daily life while looking sleek and modern. And of course, no list is complete without mentioning luxury watches and advanced gaming peripherals. These gadgets don't just serve a purpose. They elevate your everyday experience and become part of your identity. What we're seeing isn't just innovation, it's a lifestyle shift. From robotic horses to hyper-luxury vehicles and immersive VR tech, these products reflect how modern men are embracing the future while expressing power, style, and individuality. Which gadget blew your mind the most? Drop your pick in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Automated Word, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the coolest tech drops from around the world. Until next time, stay smart, stay stylish, and stay curious.